Good afternoon, people. How are we? It's Good Friday. So obviously you just saw me travelling back from work. So it's late afternoon now. So the office looks a bit different. All that there looks different now. But look at the mess. So what's going to happen is, people, the office, even though it's changing, it's come to my attention that realistically all that looks naff. So what I'm going to do is all this over the weekend is going to come away and take all the brick effect away. All these panelling bits here, apart from the little ones that come away as well, everything's going to change. And then what it's going to be, it'll be the same exact colour there, same colour as the ceiling, so everything is going to be the same. Reason being, it's what I originally wanted in some ways, but in other ways I did want the brick wall effect, something different within the office, but yeah, just not happening. The other thing that's going to be changing are the lights. They're going to change from a silver colour to a black that I've got, so that'll be done today. Well, in these sections where it's already done, it'll all be done and changed. But yeah, hopefully your Friday's going well. Busy weekend again, seeing family with work as well going on. So yeah, just non-stop, and I'll give you a little update possibly tomorrow or something in regards to me getting back into my fitness and doing a running and all that, but I'll discuss that maybe tomorrow or over the next coming days anyway. But for now, people, yeah, this is what's happening in the office, all changing yet again, and it will be ready for the summer. But for now, enjoy your Good Friday. Time you've watched this, Friday's already gone, and yeah, just go and be happy and eat all your chocolate and Easter eggs. But for now, people, keep it real. Scooter boy, see you later. How are we, guys? The sun is shining on this fine Friday evening. Definitely spring in the air. And yeah, just chilling out. My hair's gone all fluffy as well. But I'm just obviously watching a vlog, so that's what you can hear in the background. Just going to have a cup of tea. And once I've had my cup of tea, I'm going to jump on the PlayStation and play a bit of FIFA. Yeah, like I say, I was in the office, as you saw earlier on in this vlog. I've now put some new lights up. They're not active yet. And I've done some more ordering bits for the office and put stuff in the basket. So in the coming days and weeks, obviously I can crack on a bit more within the office. But yeah, with the office, it's the case of just revamping it properly, going back to an idea that I wanted originally, even though, like I said previously in this vlog, that I wanted the wall effects, but standing back and looking at it again, nah, I don't really look like it's going to suit. So yeah, I'm going to go back to the way I wanted it, painted it the same colour as I've already got, and yeah, just potentially just make it a bit more modern and sort of, yeah, the way I've originally wanted it, as I've said. But yeah, hopefully you're well. Obviously more stuff to come with the office change yet again, and talks tomorrow and in the coming weeks as well. So yeah, apart from that, guys, nothing really to report on this Friday. Ziggy's out, the wife's out, and yeah, just literally crushing out and do it all again first thing tomorrow morning with work. So yeah, and then yeah, crack on and see family over the weekend as well. So little bonus. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna crack on and play a bit of FIFA. Like I say, after this vlog's now gone out, I hope you had a cracking Friday, and yeah, enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you guys later on. See you later, my friends. Good morning, how are we? It's Saturday. I've done one of these vlogs for ages in the dark. So yeah, currently Saturday morning, like I say, keeping my boys down. Got my water, because okay, we'll talk about me trying to get back into some sort of routine with my health and my getting healthy. Something that's come out at the end of the year for me and Hull, so yeah, all good there. Sorry about the light. I'm sorry about the way I'm holding the camera. But yeah, hopefully you have a cracking day. The moon is still out. But yeah, it's a bit nippy out this morning as well. But I hope you had a cracking good Friday. Today's Saturday. And yeah, as I've said, but go and enjoy yourself. Go and see family, friends. And yeah, just go and enjoy yourself for the day. I'm currently off to work this time of morning. It's about 5:15 in the morning now. So yeah. Anyway, have a cracking day. I'll tune in with you guys when I see you next. See you later, people. Have a good one. Bye bye. How are you doing, people? It's Monday. It's Easter Monday. Hope you've enjoyed your weekend. What a difference 24 hours makes within the weather. Yesterday, lovely, dry day, sunny, bit warm, and today, raining. So typically on a bank holiday Monday, I'm just going to sit in front of the telly, watch a bit of vlogging, vlogs, bit of Netflix, maybe PlayStation, whatever, and just yeah, generally just chill out for the day. Yeah, and just eat some Easter eggs as well. I think even though I'm doing a bit of a health kick as well, so I'll mention that more in the next vlog that I do. But guys, I'm going to round it up here because, like I say, last time I spoke to you was Saturday morning, and I'm now speaking to you on Easter Monday morning. So hope you've had a cracking weekend with friends, family, and whatever else you've been up to. I'm going to check out from this vlog now. I have a blinder of the day, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.